In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off comments on your Facebook posts. So once you've loaded up Facebook and you're on the home page, tap on those three horizontal stripes at the top right-hand corner. Then from this page, you want to scroll down until you find settings. Tap on settings, and then you're looking for the public posts option, which is located right over there. I'm going to tap on that. So then you just want to scroll down till you find public post comments. Now, as of right now, there's only three options: public, friends of friends, and friends. So you can't actually turn it off completely, but you do have the ability to go and delete the comments if you don't like them or anything like that. So the best one to select would probably be friends. Then that'll be the closest you'll get to actually turning off the comments on your Facebook profile. And that's all there is to it. So that is how you turn off comments on your Facebook posts. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.